Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Going Guitar. I am playing the cool song from Jeff Satur. It's called Lost and Found, and this is a couple months old by now, but I just came across this song when I watched his material, Jeff, and he's been here with us before on this channel, and I just fell for this song, Lost and Found. Let's learn it together. As you can see, capo on third, that's the absolute best scenario for us. Let's go through some chords. I believe we have 5 chords to handle when it comes to strumming and holding the full chord. So let's start with those chords, and we're gonna start with C. Okay, C goes third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the F sus2, and that goes third D, open G, first B, and open E. Then we have the G chord, and that goes third E, second A, open D, open G, open B, and third E. We have D minor as well, and that will be open D, second G, third B, first E, and finally we have the A minor 7. And that will be open A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Okay, so this is picking pattern to start with in the verse play. So let's do that together. And we have 4 chords here: C, A minor 7, F sus, and G. That's the order of them. And for 3 out of these 4 chords, the first 3 chords, you're gonna have that first fret B string, your index finger preferably glued to that point. Okay, so you're gonna hold that and just switch bass notes. So the pattern for C goes like this. Okay, so you're gonna play 3rd fret A string, then first B, 3rd A, and open G. You're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So then you have the A minor 7 next, and you just play this 1st fret B string as a grip, and you play open A, first B, then back to open A, and open G. 4 rounds of that as well. So then you go to the F sus2 chord. Now you're gonna play the 3rd D and still that first B, and the pattern goes, and that is 4 rounds. 1 round is 3rd D, first B, back to 3rd D, and open G. And for the final chord, this is the time where you release everything there on the B string and just have that 3rd E string in the bass. And you're gonna play that for 4 rounds. So that is 3rd fret E string, open B, back to 3rd E, and open G. So 1 round, C4, A minor 7 4, F sus 4, and G4 goes like this. And I play 1 round for you right now. You're gonna play 2 rounds, and that is the first verse. Then at 32 seconds in starts the first pre-chorus. And here you can continue with this picking pattern, or actually you should do that. And what you're gonna play now is 8 rounds of F sus2, 8 rounds of C, and 7 rounds of G plus a pause, and that pause builds up for the chorus that comes right now. You're gonna play only this 1 round, so F sus 8, C 8, and G 7 plus a pause. And yeah, that's that. Now into the first chorus, about 50 seconds in, and now starts the strumming. We're gonna learn that, so we're gonna grab a C chord full as it is, and that is the first chord. 1 round sounds like this. Okay, so you're gonna play down, 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 up. The first 2 downs I like to play on the bass strings, and then I play the down, down, up in the mid higher area. So down, 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 up. That is 1 round. A couple of rounds goes like this. All right, so let's play this chorus, and the first half goes C2, D minor 2, A minor 7-2, and F sus 2. That's the first half. Second half goes C2, D minor 2, A minor 7-2, and then the ending there is F sus 1 and G1, and that's the only difference there. So let's do it together. C2, D minor 2, A minor 2, and F2. C2, D minor 2, A minor 2, F, G. And you're gonna play for only this one round, and that's the first chorus. Okay. Now the second round is pretty much repetition as far as verse play. So play 2 rounds of that verse we learned, C, A minor, F, and G. Then comes the second pre-chorus. You're gonna play now the strumming, all right? So instead of playing F sus 8 when it comes to this melody picking pattern, you're gonna have amount of strumming rounds instead. So now you're gonna play strumming rounds 4 of this F sus. So F sus 4, C 4, and G 3 rounds plus 1 down. And that down follows with a big pause, okay? So F sus 4, C 4, and G 3 plus 1 down. So like this. And then comes the chorus again. The chorus is played exactly in the same way as the first one, no changes there. And after that comes a bridge part. It's about 2 minutes and 21 seconds in. What you're going to play here is the chorus, but now 2 full rounds of that chorus. So it's a pretty long bridge part. And after you play that 2 full rounds of that chorus, you're going to also add 1 down on C with pause in between, then D minor 1 down, and then F sus 1 down, and G 1 down. And that's the end of the bridge. So to summarize the bridge part, it was 2 rounds of that chorus play plus the added downs of C, D minor, F sus, and G. And then you play the outro of the song, and that is to play another full round of that chorus play. And guess what, guys? You finished the song called Lost and Found by Jeff Satur. Cool song, and I like it because we have different techniques there with melodies and strumming, and it's not too hard. So give it a shot. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time, play tuned.